Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the Google form you control and confirming editor rights. This matters because only editors can change sharing and response settings. Next, decide how strict you need the lock. Prevent edits after submission, allow view only, or restrict by account. Once decided, collect any respondent emails if you'll limit submissions to specific users. Then open Settings and stay on the General and Responses tabs so you can change submission and access behavior immediately. Once done with basics, go into Settings and enable collecting emails and limit to one response if you want single submissions. This stops re-editing because responses tie to accounts. If you need a static form copy, open the Share menu and remove other editor permissions or change their role to viewer. This prevents live edits. Alternatively, export the form as a PDF or publish the questions to a view-only link so recipients can't alter fields but can see content. Finish by double-checking ownership and sharing. Make sure only trusted accounts retain editor rights. Once you confirm that, distribute the link with confidence. You should always test the public link with a different Google account to verify it behaves as view-only or prevents resubmission. If someone still edits, then check for copies stored in shared drives or transferred ownership. Resolving that usually requires removing editor roles or transferring form ownership back to you. If problems persist, revoke link sharing and reissue a fresh, restricted link.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.